it's Fraser Chesterman. I'm very pleased to be at People and Technology, and now I'm with Edgar Llop. Now, Edgar, you are head of the R&D team, and your department really focuses on the technology around the cleaning systems. So explain a little bit more about that.
We do the developing and the improving of the cleaning systems for every single printhead model. That would include even the newest models with the newest technologies. So this is how we get the proper feedback to evolve our cleaning systems too. So whenever there's a new model in the market using whichever technology is needed, we bring it here and we develop an optimized cleaning process. So this is our clean injector machinery, and these systems we would load the solvent, the proper solvent, the water-based or pigment, organic, inorganic, any kind of ink used in the printhead. So we will run tests every 20 minutes, 30, 1 hour to see how the cleaning is improving. In the ink tester, we can make as many prints as we need from using the proper solvent, the proper ink, the proper technology used in the printhead.
Do you as a business offer both the service for cleaning and the technology? Someone can come and buy the technology to bring it in-house?
That's right. We do sell our printhead cleaning systems, and we do also offer printhead recovery as a service. So our customers around the world, they find it really easy to send us their printheads, their non-usable printheads for a flush, for a cleaning, and so we get the recovery for them. They find this so easy to do through our website, in which in some simple steps they get all the information they need printing out to send the printheads over.
Brilliant. Edgar, thank you very much for that.
Thank you.
So I'm very pleased to have Sandra, who is head of the chemical lab at People and Technology. Sandra, tell us a little bit about what you do at People and Technology.
It's important to have a chemical lab here because we need to be ensured that our fluids they not have some damage in our equipment, and we have the responsibility to guarantee the quality in our machines. So the only way to be ensured of that is to check and to verify that the fluids don't produce damage. This is our ovens to do the compatibility test with the temperature that we want to analyze. Here we mix the two fluids that we want to analyze. Here we have the PC that we do the reports, and here we have another zone that we have the viscosity.
So Sandra, explain a little bit more about the 3 key services that you offer.
Okay, one of these is compatibility tests that prevent problems in the equipment. Another is fluid characterization to know the initial properties of the fluids. And finally, the microscope service that allows us to analyze the printheads.
Is it that you are cleaning heads for other people, or is it that you are developing the technology to clean heads and the machinery? What is it you're doing down in the lab?
Initially, it was only for internal applications, but we have knowledge, so we want to cooperate with other companies that are immersed in this inkjet world, or that are starting in the inkjet world.
So are you working with companies like Seiko and Kyocera, the head manufacturers?
Yes.
Working closely with them, as well as the people who actually have digital print technology who send the heads to you?
Yes, but it's not only the printheads we have here. We need to know if the materials that are in contact with these fluids show some damage. So it's important to know before to introduce in our equipment.
Fantastic. Thank you very much, Sandra.
Thank you so much.